What's up, Two Life fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to join the family, like this video, subscribe, and show the channel some love. I'm Two Fly B, and today I got another shoe review for y'all today. Before I get into that, I want to say shout out to all the subscribers, man. I see y'all. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the Two Fly fam, where we be fresh and fly. And as y'all seen by the title, I got a pair of Kappa slides. Let's go and hop into it. Alright, y'all, so y'all see by the box, black and red box. Got the Kappa print on it, black and red. At the bottom, it's a shoe size. Here go the tag. As y'all see, the colorway is red flame white. Back, just got the Kappa sign. Let's go and hop into it. As we open it, the tissue paper is all over Kappa print. Got the shoes here. Nice colorway. Let me grab the other one. Alright, we're gonna take that. Grab up the shoes real quick. Let's give y'all a quick 360 of them on the box first before we get into the details. Alright, y'all, let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the right slide, and this is what it looks like. You have the Kappa logo right here. You have the Kappa logo right here. The whole sole is red. Majority of the shoe is all red. It's just got the logo is white. Let me take this down. In the foot bed, you see it all going down. It's going all the way to the top, which means back up here in white. And their logo is two people got their backs against each other. Up here is like a Z, and this is a strap, so you can undo it, and you could fit it to your foot however you need it. You need more room, you need less room, you can get it snug to your foot however you want it. Also, this is great materials because with this material, it don't crease. So you can walk, you can run, whatever you're doing, you ain't gotta worry about this creasing. So it's comfortable. It's a little soft, like it's not hard, but it's not as soft as other slides. But I feel like it's like this because the sole is so durable. You can wear these slides some places that you can wear other slides that are more comfortable because the bottom don't be that solid. Like this is a solid bottom, so we good with this shoe. Like you'll be good with it. I have worn these and I like them. This is not my first pair. I have other colorways. I had 3, right now I got 2. I gave 1 pair away. So I got this pair and I got a black pair. Over here on the plastic parts, do you see it says Kappa on here as well on the plastic part? And over here it says Kappa again. Now I gotta talk to y'all about sizing. On to sizing, y'all, for the Kappa slides, these in particular. The sizing is a little tricky, man. If you're a half size, I recommend you go up. I'm a 9.5. I got a 9.5 last time and it was too small, so I had to get a 10. So this is a size 10 and they fit good. And like I said, you can undo them to make them like, to pull it up more or pull it back down. However you want it to be, you can do it like that. But sizing, definitely go up with these Kappa slides if you're thinking about them. If you want to buy them for somebody, think about buying them for yourself. Whatever you do, just make sure you size up, man. Unless you're gonna have to return them and get the correct size because they do not run true to size. And this is the right shoe. But let me get on to the next shoe. Looking at the left shoe, it's the same exact thing, red all over. And I like this colorway because this is the colorway pop. Nice red. Cap over here like I showed y'all on this side as well. On the plastic part, you have it again here. The strap, this is on the left side. The sticky part is on the opposite side. Over here you have Kappa as well on this plastic part. This is double padded, so it's like padded here, and then this is another pad, so it's double padded, so it be soft like the top of your foot when it goes in. It is soft. You can wear this with socks or with shoes. You can wear this with socks or without socks, still comfortable. It might be a little bit more snug fit with your socks on, but it's cool because like I said, you can just adjust it how you want it to fit. Kappa going up again in white. Got the white Kappa over here on the side as well, right here in red. And fun fact, y'all, I wanted to pledge Kappa. I wanted to pledge Kappa, man. So, and I like the brand, but I just feel like that was raw how Kappa is a brand. I wanted to pledge Kappa. So like sometimes, so I like these slides. Like I'll probably always keep a pair of these because they real reasonable on the price tip. I like the fact that they're under $100. Nowadays it's kind of hard to find a nice slide under $100. So when you do find it, it's like, okay, cool. And for this to be good, like, it's comfortable, it's durable, I'm sold. I got it. Alright, y'all, that's it for the review. Like I said, if you like them, you think about getting them, make sure you size up. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, share it. If you got any questions about the shoe, you got the colorway, if you like the shoe, you don't like the shoe, whatever you got, statements, questions, leave them down in the comment below. You know I'm gonna take nothing personal, but I am here to help you out. So just let me know if you got any questions. I answer them. I do respond back to comments. Also, let's stay connected on social media platforms. My Instagram and TikTok is at 2FlyB. My Snapchat is FlyManB. And my business email is in the description below. On this B2 Fly shirt I got on, yes sir, shop the brand. Alright, y'all. Make sure y'all take care of yourself. Stay prayed up. I love y'all. Be smooth.